Today we're cutting down some hiking trails at record speeds with the help of our new 4-inch mini chainsaw and battery from ORBLON. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your protective case for your chainsaw. Pop up the tabs on the side and then open the case. Inside, you can find your user manual, a charging cable, a toolkit, some stylish safety glasses, a rechargeable battery, and then your mini chainsaw. It comes complete with an ergonomic grip that feels good to hold, a protective cover that keeps you safe from kickback, a blade guard, as well as a safety lock that you have to push to the side to use. Slide it to the side, and you can no longer pull the trigger, keeping you and others safe. After your battery is fully charged, it's time to go give it a proper test. I took it out to the woods and started working on a new hiking trail. The one-handed operation and fast 30,000 RPM brushless motor let me cut down a trail in no time at all. The battery is long-lasting. I cut down branches and logs of all sizes for about an hour, and it only dropped about 1 bar on the battery. Additionally to having good battery life, you can even use Dewalt batteries. They are interchangeable and let you swap out to your own batteries easily. It also has a built-in lubrication system. You can pour oil into the tank, then push the little button on top to help lube up the chain and allow you to have more efficient cuts. The smaller 4-inch blade makes it super portable and easy to cut down branches in your way. It's just the right size for small and annoying obstructions. Now that I have this, I've cut down several new trails, and I'm loving having the option to chainsaw versus cutting down brush by hand. So if you're looking for an affordable and powerful little chainsaw, this one might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go on a hike on my new trails. See ya!